Hello, Miley. Okay, this is the way that I worked it. This side, I started in this corner down here. This side has to be multiplied by 2 and equal this side multiplied by 3. So there are only a few options of what can go in here. It can't be 1 because that would be 2 and nothing equals 2, or this would be 3 and nothing doubled is 3. So I started with 2 here. If this is 2, then 2, 4, 6. This could be 3 to also equal 6. So then you don't have a weight of 6 though pulling down on up here. It's only 5 that actually pulls down. And because it's 2 away, it would be 10 total pulling down on this side. So then you would need 10 total pulling down on this side, but it has to divide by 3. And 10 doesn't divide by 3. So 10 won't work no matter what. So neither will 2 and 3. So that was the first one that I tried. And if you don't understand that whole why 10 doesn't divide by 3 and work, just keep watching because I'll have to say it a couple more times and I think then you'll understand. The next one I did was 4. I'll show you 3 won't work. 3 times 3 is 9 and nothing doubled is 9. So then I did 4. So that would be 4, 8, 12. So on this side to be 12, that would be 6 doubled. So now we have a weight of 10 pulling down on this side times 2, so that's 20. So then I need 20 pulling down on these 3 weights, but it has to divide into 3, and 20 doesn't divide by 3. So 20 won't work either. And just keep watching, that hopefully will make more sense as we go if it doesn't already. So then we did 4, so 5 would be 15 and nothing doubled is 15. So then 6 would be 18 and 9 doubled is 18. And actually that is this is the last possibility that could work here. Nothing else is gonna work. If this doesn't, it's not solvable, but it does work. So 15 pulling down on this side, doubled is 30. So then this side needs to have 30, and it does divide by 3, which means these are 10. All of these together are 10 pulling, these 3 are 10 pulling down right here times 3 to be 30 total on this side. So this doesn't need to be 10 or 5 and 5 in order to balance. It just, the weights added together have to equal 10, just like these added together equal 15 to make 30 over here. So we have to look and see what's left. I've used the 6 and I've used the 9. So I'm gonna look and see what I can get to work here. If this is a 1, I'll try this first. If this is a 1, then that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then a 5 would be on this side. So that's balanced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But 5 and 2 and 1 is 8, not 10. So that can't be right. I'm gonna try another possibility here. What about 1, 2, 3? Let's try the 3. 4, 5, 6. But I already used the 6, so I can't put it over there. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7. And a 7. But that is not 10. That's 11, 12. So anything else I put here, I'm going to be getting too big. So I'm going to try something besides this 1 in here. Because now I'm too big for 10. So if I try the 2 instead, that'd be 2, 4, 6, and the 1 makes 7, and I have that one, I remember, and that does equal 10. So, I mean, on these it's trial and error, and it might not actually work out with what's left over here, but right now it works. This is 10 total, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it balances within itself. And these 10 times 3 is 30, 30, so far I'm good. I'm going to erase some of this so we don't have all of that looking at us. Then all together here now, I had these 15 and these 10 is 25 weights right here on this because it's just times 1 away. And I'm going to erase the 1, the 2, and the 7, so I'm not tempted to use those. So I have 3, 4, 5, 8, and 10 left, and I'm going to work on these next. So if I start with a 3, that is 3, 6 right here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I can make a 10. So that's something that works. We'll see if that's what we need. Altogether, this would be 10, and 7 is 17. Pulling down 2 away would be 34. So right here with that, I'm going to see if I can make the rest of this work. Like I said, it might not, and we may have to go back and do other things. But let's see. So we have an 8 and a 5. This side has more already, so I'm going to put the 5 on this side, and that's times 3, so that would be 15. Plus the 34 that was already here is a total of 49 on this side. And then I'll try the 8 over here. So times 3 is 24. 24 and 25 is also 49 on this side. So that actually did work out, and it's all good. So hopefully that will help you problem solve your way through the last one. On the last one, I started on the very 2 in the middle on the bottom. And I started with, I think, 1 and 2. And I worked all the way up. I'll tell you, I actually had to work all the way up to 7 and 14. But that's where I started because it was the easiest one to start from and go. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You can go back and just change it up. But anyways, hopefully it helps.